Hi students, good morning. My name is Prabhakar, aptitude trainer, placement cell, DBS Engineering College, Kavali. Friends, how are you? Hope you stay home and stay safe. Please take care of yourself and your family members, and our college wishes you a happy and healthy life. Friends, how is your MSET preparation? Hope you are very busy with your MSET preparation. Hope it is going on well. Friends, here one thing I am happy to announce this. Our college management has decided and is going to commence online MSET classes for the benefit of all of your students, friends. Already you are preparing, you are on the job. In addition to your preparation, in support of your preparation, our college is also commencing these MSET online coaching classes to add to your preparation. See, very short time is ahead. Though we may not complete entire syllabus, we try our best to do the maximum possible extent. At least all important concepts and the various questions asked in the previous MSETs and other important questions. We have selected some set of questions, and those questions will be explained to you on a regular basis till the date of your MSET. So friends, please watch our videos regularly and get the maximum benefit out of our videos. You please share our videos among your friends, and also remember to subscribe our DBS Talks, a YouTube channel, so that you get notifications as and when we release the videos, so that you don't miss any video. Friends, every care is being taken to make the videos. Highly important and selected questions are being discussed in these videos. So, my dear friends, my dear students, please take this as the best opportunity our DBS college is extending, and please get the maximum benefit out of these videos. Okay friends, so in this regard, in this context, I would like to add a few lines regarding your MSET application process and examination details, MSET details. Of course, all of you might be aware of all those things. Still, I like to share with you some of the things. Friends, your MSET already, I hope already you have applied for MSET. The MSET application last date is extended till May 20. This time AP MSET is being organized by JNTU Kakinada. And you know the exam pattern, friends. The exam pattern will be, mode of examination will be online examination, that is CBT, computer based test. And the test consists of 160 questions, friends. Of course, you know it. Maths 80 marks, physics 40 and chemistry 40, and each question carries 1 mark. And friends, there is no penalty for wrong answers. No negative marking. No negative marking. And the examination is 3 hours duration. And after login, you can choose any paper. You can choose any paper, either maths or physics or chemistry, at random. And after answering that particular question, you press save and next. Then that question will be saved and you will be taken to the next question. Only one question will appear on the screen at one time. After answering that question, you will be taken to the next question, friends. Okay, those things before exam, we would like to have a demo or the process of answering the questions and all those things. Okay, friends. And one more thing also I would like to add, friends. The minimum qualifying marks. The minimum qualifying marks in the MSET is 25% of the total 160 marks, friends. That is 25% of 160 means it is 40 marks. 40 marks is the minimum qualifying marks to get qualified in the MSET. And friends, for SC and ST category, there is no minimum qualifying marks, friends. So this is how the exam pattern will be. And as you know, the exam date is also announced recently. The exam will be held from 27th July to 31st July. In a span of 5 days, the entire examination process will be completed. So I request all of you to apply for MSET and prepare well and take the use of our videos and attempt the exam well. Okay, friends, and in this context, shall I take the opportunity to tell before you the merits of our DBS Engineering College. See, after completion of your MSET, the next point is where to join. In which college I have to join. That is your next question before you. So for that question, the answer is simple, friends. See, I suggest you and I invite you to join in DBS Engineering College. See, I would like to share with you the merits of our DBS Engineering College. Friends, our college, as you know, is located in a very spacious and lovely environment, and highly qualified and experienced faculty members with all commitment are working in our college, and other facilities like lab facilities and library facilities are extensive. You can make the best use of those facilities. And good hostel facility is also there. You can enjoy the food. And our college buses run all over the district. So that advantage is there. And moreover, beyond all these things, friends, one thing is very this thing, friends, the environment in our college, you will feel such a lovely environment, such a friendly environment in our college. Unlike so many other colleges, you feel a friendly environment in our college, and all our faculty members, all our HODs, and our management, and our principal sir, and everyone is after you, friends. Everyone is always prepared to take care of you, to take care of for your improvement in every aspect. In every aspect, they will be in support of the students, in support of you. So you will enjoy. You can enjoy freedom and parallel with discipline, not at the cost of discipline, friends. And many more things are there, friends. You will see, because after all, you are going to stay in our college for 4 years. So you will have that congenial atmosphere and a lovely environment in our college. So I request you, moreover, one more thing also, friends. And our college takes very minimum number of admissions. Only 360 admissions we take. This is very important point, friends, because see, the admissions we take only is restricted to only 360, so that we can concentrate more on every student. So that thing we have to remember, friends. Whether the student is coming to college or not, whether the student is following tests or other things. So everything we can keep a visual on your movements. It is in your own interest only, friends. So that is a brief description of our college, friends, and our secretaries sir and our principals sir and all our HODs are committed to your care and to address your problems as and when, if any. And friends, this is something I want to share with you. So regarding the merits of our college, this is one side of the coin, friends, and the other side of the coin, friends, our placement cell. Every year we got hundreds of placements, though not hundred, tens of placements are going on. And after academic, our next care is placement. We see that every student is placed in some other company, one company or other. So placement cell is strengthened. See, friends, here the coaching what we are offering in CRT classes in our college, what is going on in our college regarding the placement activities, I am telling, friends. Regarding placement activities, we are giving coaching to all students, friends. All students, we are giving coaching throughout 4 years, like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, we have categorized, and we are giving coaching to all the students through all the 4 years, so that after completion of their BTech degree, they will be fully equipped with all types of knowledge, quantitative skills, reasoning skills, English communication skills, and whatever skills that are required, whatever skills that are required for various competitive examinations, all those skills will be equipped in the student, so that after completion of his BTech, he will be in a position. He will come to a position where he can face any competitive exam without any fear, with utmost confidence. So, and more, not only for the CRT, not the placement training, which we are going to offer in our college, which we are offering at present in our college, is not only exclusive, not only meant for this software jobs, but also for all other competitive examinations like bank coaching and railway jobs and postal department jobs, or any state and central government jobs. So in such a way we are planning our coaching activities, training activities, so that the training what we offer in our college must be useful to face any competitive exam. See, somebody may be willing to go for engineering job, somebody may be willing to go for police job, somebody may be willing to go for a bank job. So to meet the requirements of various categories of students, we are giving training to all the students, so that the training, we are planning the training in such a way the training is useful to face any competitive exam. So this is a very important point, friends, So if you join in our college, rest assured, friends, you will get definitely going to get a job, either engineering side or any other government, state or central government sector side, friends. So our management is taking that care. Our management is very particular in that area, because you see, if a student joins in our college with a greater confidence in us, so we have to justify his confidence. He has joined in our college means with some confidence he joins in our college. So we have to justify his confidence, because we have to. So how we justify? By giving proper training. See, you will be with us for 4 years. So these 4 years will give you extensive training, friends, to all students, not only for a selected students. We give coaching for all students, so that after completion of your BTech, you will not go to Hyderabad or some other places for coaching, and involving a large amounts of money and waste of time. So we complete all those training activities in these 4 years only, friends. So that is something about our college activities, friends. And after after counseling, joining in our college, you can opt for any branch. Our college is offering ECE branch, Electronics and Computers Communications Engineering, and Computers Engineering, CSC, and triple Mechanical and Civil. We are offering these 5 courses, friends. You can join in any branch, whichever you like. Whatever branch you join, you have job opportunities for any branch. So ECE people will have opportunities in ISRO, and so many software companies are taking ECE people, and you can go for ISRO, you can go for BSNL or Telecom or any this thing. And for CSE people, number of these things, entire software is being ruled by CSE people. And for EEE people, and AP Genco is there, and NTPC, and thermal power projects, there you get EEE people will get job opportunities. And for mechanical and civil, plenty of opportunities are there. So whatever branch you take in which you are interested, so you will get a job. And in that point, our college takes every care in your respected interested job. Friends, that is something about our this thing. So have a nice day, friends. So from tomorrow onwards, from the next video onwards, you can watch the our video MSET online classes. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.